are some of the most fascinating animals on the planet. They're powerful, intelligent, and even playful. In this video, we'll explore the different types of bears, their unique behaviors, and some of the funniest and most surprising things they do. We'll also take a look at what they eat, how they survive in the wild, and the challenges they face today. And of course, we'll answer the big question, just how clever are bears? Stick around to find out. Which of the following is true about bears? A. Bears hibernate all winter without ever waking up. B. Bears can smell food from miles away. C. Bears are only dangerous and never playful. Think you know the answer? Stick around to find out. Bears are one of the most fascinating creatures on the planet, with 8 distinct species roaming the world today. From the powerful grizzly bears of North America to the playful pandas of Asia and the elusive sun bears of Southeast Asia, each species has its own unique traits and habitats. Did you know that polar bears are the largest land carnivores, while sun bears are the smallest of the bear family? Let's dive into the diversity of these incredible animals and learn what makes each one special. Bears have a reputation for being intimidating, and it's easy to see why. With their immense size, powerful claws, and the ability to run surprisingly fast, these animals command respect in the wild. A startled bear can be dangerous, but it's important to remember they're usually more interested in avoiding humans than confronting them. Understanding their behavior helps us appreciate their power while staying safe in their presence. While bears might seem scary, they also play a vital role in their ecosystems. By spreading seeds through their droppings, they help forests grow and thrive. Bears also control insect populations and keep prey species in balance. Their presence ensures that the natural world stays healthy and sustainable. Bears aren't just powerful, they can also be surprisingly funny. Whether it's a bear rolling down a hill, playing with its cubs, or even sneaking into a backyard pool, these animals have a playful side. Their curiosity and clever problem-solving skills often lead to hilarious encounters with humans and the wild alike. Play isn't just for fun. It's an important part of how bears learn and grow. In the wild, young bears often wrestle with their siblings or climb trees, building strength and practicing survival skills. Their playful nature helps them adapt to their environment, whether it's learning how to fish in a rushing river or figuring out how to dig up a tasty snack. But sometimes, a bear's curiosity can get them into trouble, especially when it leads them into human spaces. Bears have been caught opening car doors, climbing into backyard hammocks, and even strolling through convenience stores looking for a snack. While these moments might seem funny, they also remind us how important it is to respect wildlife and keep a safe distance. But why do bears wander into human spaces in the first place? The answer is simple: food. Bears have an incredible sense of smell, one of the best in the animal kingdom. They can detect food from miles away, leading them to campsites, trash bins, and even inside homes. This is why wildlife experts always remind people to store food securely when in bear country. A hungry bear is a determined bear. With such a powerful nose, it's no surprise that bears have a diverse diet. Depending on the species and their habitat, bears eat everything from berries and nuts to fish and even small mammals. Some, like the giant panda, stick almost entirely to bamboo, while others, like grizzlies, are expert salmon hunters. Their ability to adapt to different food sources is one of the reasons they've survived for so long. As the seasons change, so do a bear's eating habits. During the warmer months, bears spend most of their time searching for food, consuming thousands of calories a day to build up fat reserves. This is especially important for species that hibernate, like grizzly and black bears. When winter arrives, these bears retreat to their dens where they can go months without eating or drinking, surviving entirely on the fat they stored up during the fall. But not all bears hibernate. While grizzlies and black bears sleep through the winter, polar bears and some other species remain active. Polar bears, for example, continue hunting on the ice, relying on their thick fur and fat to keep them warm in freezing temperatures. Female polar bears, however, do enter a den to give birth and care for their cubs during the harshest months of winter. Speaking of cubs, bears are some of the most devoted parents in the animal kingdom. A mother bear spends up to 2 years raising her young, teaching them how to find food, climb trees, and stay safe from predators. Cubs are playful and curious, often seen tumbling over each other or climbing on their mother's back. But don't be fooled. If a mother bear senses danger, she won't hesitate to defend her cubs with incredible strength and speed. As bear cubs grow, they learn essential survival skills through play and observation. They practice mock fights, learn how to fish by watching their mother, and even test their climbing abilities on trees. This playful behavior isn't just fun, it prepares them for the challenges of the wild. By the time they're ready to be on their own, they've mastered the skills they need to thrive in their environment. Unfortunately, bears face many threats in the wild. Habitat loss, climate change, and conflicts with humans have put several bear species at risk. Polar bears, for example, are losing the sea ice they depend on for hunting, while other species struggle as forests are cleared for development. Conservation efforts around the world aim to protect these incredible animals and the ecosystems they call home. Luckily, there's still hope for bears. Conservation groups are working to protect their habitats, enforce anti-poaching laws, and educate people on how to coexist with these amazing animals. Simple actions like properly securing trash in bear-prone areas and supporting wildlife conservation efforts can make a huge difference. With the right efforts, we can ensure that future generations get to witness the beauty and power of bears in the wild. Which of the following is true about bears? B. Bears can smell food from miles away. Bears have an incredibly powerful sense of smell, one of the best in the animal kingdom. They can detect food from over a mile away, sometimes even farther, depending on wind conditions. Did you guess correctly? Let us know in the comments below. And if you had fun learning about bears today, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Animal Wonders, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an adventure.